Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, an artist and a textile art teacher. And in today's video I've got some pink satin fabric and I'm going to be combining it with the lozenge pattern, which is also called a bones pattern, and I'm really interested in using the reverse, the back of the pattern, because it comes out with a very different, unique pattern. So let's get straight into the video. So I've managed to mark all of the bones pattern out. So I've just traced through this satin fabric, and remember what I'm interested in is the back of the lozenge, the bones pattern. So I'm interested in this side. So I've put the correct side facing up. Okay, quite simply, we're just going to pop your threaded needle down at the bottom right and small stitch at the top. We're going to draw the fabrics together and put a stitch through the two bits of fabrics, and then we're just going to pop a knot. Just going to take my needle down to the next dot. I know I should be using a different contrasting thread so that you can see a little bit better when I'm sewing, but I don't like to go too dark unless it's going to be a feature. Maybe I might do a video with that idea behind it, so using a different thread colour, that is. So I'm just going to draw the fabrics in again, pop a little stitch, take my needle through that loop and tie a knot. And that is literally the format we're going to do. So down to the next one and pop another little stitch in through the top, and then take my needle through. Okay, now the lozenge pattern will come on the back of the fabric. That's not the side I'm interested in. Just wanted to show you that I've done half of it so far. That's obviously the bones design on that side, but it's this shiny side, the back of the bones design, that I'm quite interested in today. Look at that. Okay, this is done now. How cute is that? Question: do we leave the white thread on? Can you actually see that? There you go. Or do we cut it off? So I've decided that I'm actually going to leave the thread on there because I think it just gives a little bit more dimension to the piece, interest. I could see sort of like maybe some little beading or something added to that as well. But for now, I'm going to leave it with the threads on. Obviously that was the other side. Quite nice just seeing both of them together. Just playing around really. How high can we get these to stand? Just playing around really. I am loving that perspective where you see the back of the smocking and then the side that I actually want. So you've got the matte contrast to the shiny side, and then you've got this kind of diamond smocking going on over here with the lozenge pattern. And I like a bit of height with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and write a comment, share the channel most importantly, and I shall see you in the very next video. Take care of yourselves, see you shortly. Bye!